I've purchased other eSIMs before, but activation was much smoother than with this one. I went to the Netherlands and Belgium, and I think I had a basic 5G connection. A major carrier I use in Japan barely has a 5G connection, and the connection is so poor it's unusable at major stations during rush hour, but this one was fast and reliable. When I entered Belgium from the Netherlands, I lost connection for a few minutes, but it connected automatically without any procedures. I'll buy again and recommend it. I originally bought an eSIM from ShopA, which worked fine in London, but the signal became very poor in Scotland. I immediately bought another one from AGD, ordering and using it instantly with one-click installation, no QR code required, very convenient. The signal is poor in many parts of Scotland, and my friends' network cards are also weak. Compared to my friends, this eSIM is pretty good. It's quite easy to use. However, the internet speed wasn't ideal when I first got off the plane, but it gradually became smoother later. It's probably because there are too many users nearby, making it difficult to connect. Also, I couldn't connect to the internet in the subway, which is likely a problem with their infrastructure. The price-performance ratio is incredibly high. It's much cheaper than other competitors, and the network quality isn't too bad either. The only issues are poor reception in some mountainous areas or basements. Plus, customer service responds to questions super fast. This long trip to the Dolomites in northern Italy was very relaxing overall. The internet connection was excellent, making it easy to share photos, send messages, and post group announcements quickly and without any problems. Thank you. The signal was generally good in Munich, Germany, with occasional signal loss in elevators or basements. In Berchtesgaden, the signal was generally stable at most attractions, except for the Königssee Nature Reserve where there was no signal. European network cards offer one-click installation and stable signal, requiring no complicated setup. They're incredibly convenient for internet access while traveling, and are affordable and reliable, highly recommended. The network is very stable in the city center, but there are times when there is no network in the suburbs of Königssee and Neuschwanstein Castle. However, this seems to be a regional issue rather than an eSIM problem. During my trip to Paris, France, the internet speed was excellent, with most attractions having 5G coverage. I was very satisfied. It was great value for money, and I will definitely buy from them again next time. It can be installed before leaving home after purchase, and is ready to use quickly upon arrival. Reception is slightly weak in more remote rural areas, but works perfectly fine near towns. The price is reasonable. It can be installed before leaving home after purchase, and is ready to use quickly upon arrival. Reception is slightly weak in more remote rural areas, but works perfectly fine near towns. The price is reasonable. It wasn't working when I first arrived at Istanbul Airport, so I immediately contacted customer service. It turned out I needed to enable mobile data. After that, it worked perfectly both in Istanbul and Portugal.